I'm embarrassed to give you this tip today because I did not know this tip for so long, too long. But I'm not going to beat myself up over it because there aren't many tutorials that are showing this specific trick. It's obvious, it's easy, and it sounds so damn good, but most people aren't doing this. Let's share that embarrassment together and let me show you what I mean. When it comes to vocal processing, one of the hardest things is getting your vocal to sit well in the mix. A huge thing that helps are effects, reverbs, delays, those little things that connect the dry vocal to the music behind it. Let me give you the example of what we're working with here. Now, before I even get into it, this vocal's incredible. So hit the like button, smash the like button because this vocal is great. Now, what I want to do is I want to repeat the phrase at the end when she says, high up in the sky, the sky, the sky. I'd love to have it echo out. Now, young, naive producer Zach 10 years ago would have done this the way that the tutorial showed him to do this. And that is usually drop a delay on and automate the phrasing to come up and catch that phrase of the sky. So if it starts right here, I would basically automate my delay to come up and let's see what happens. Well, shit, that didn't work. It also caught the phrase where she says high up in. Notice again. Okay, so then what's the next step? We typically start to take these automation points and start curving them and moving them, thinking that's going to solve it, right? Nope, did not work. And here's the bad news. This isn't going to work. It's never going to catch just that one phrase. Now, if you're seeing this and saying, shit, that's how I approach doing my vocal delays, I'm here to save the day. I'm here to help you. Let me know in the comments right now if you do not know this trick before we even get started, so I can feel good that there were some people out there that didn't know this and I was not alone when I learned it. Instead of automating the delay to turn up on this vocal, instead, what I'm going to do is...
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Now, before we go further, for those of you who are saying, who is this dude? Should we trust him? The answer is no. And I mean that, no. I'm only kidding. My name is Zach Edward. I'm a teacher here at Cosmic Academy. And what we have is this really special program and community of 500 producers. We've been around now for 10 years, and we have this very small personalized program we run with them where the sole focus is results. It's all we care about. So we approach it in a way where we're able to work with them one-on-one, go into their projects, help them build their brand, teach them how to sign records. And the results have been amazing. The students signed to legit the biggest labels across every single genre. We had 3 students play EDC this year, which was really fun. Now, the point of this YouTube channel is to offer some of our premium lessons here for free, hoping we can help you out because ultimately we just want to see everyone win. We want to see everyone succeed. We know you're busting your ass out there. So let me show you what we're going to do now because I left you hanging. Instead of automating the delay on the actual vocal itself, I'm going to create a channel underneath and I'm going to place a delay directly on this channel. So it's an empty audio track with a delay on it. And if you look down here, I have it set to 100% wet. So this is going to be responsible for only producing the delays. Now I've set it up at a half note for this specific one. We'll talk about the quarter note underneath. For the half note, this is a great time length that kind of repeats the phrase. So essentially what's going to happen is on this main vocal here, I'm not going to have any delay. And on the channel underneath, it's only going to be delays. So what I can do is take the exact words from the original vocal and just highlight them and copy paste them below. Option drag does the same thing. And now on this delay channel, I'm only getting the words that I wanted. These are the only words that are going to produce the delays, not the part of the phrase before it that we kept catching in the previous method. So check this out. I'm going to play them together.
in the sky. Voices.
Holy shit. Listen to what we have down here. It's only the words, the sky. Why? Because those are the only two words I cut out. I could cut any word and drag it onto this half note delay track, and it's only going to repeat the one word. So I do it again over here.
Times I wonder why I'm falling down.
How cool is this? It's the exact phrase that we wanted to repeat. Now we could take it a step further and we could have multiple delay tracks. So if this is my half note, which really repeats that phrase nice and clean, I could also do one a little quicker, as I do in this instance here with a quarter note.
This deep inside your mind. Sometimes
So this one's a little faster. Deep inside your mind, your mind, your mind, your mind, right? Like it comes in a little bit quicker than the other one.
This deep inside your mind. Sometimes I wonder why.
Now, a couple extra things you could do to dress this up and make it even cooler. We can have EQs on the delays so they sound very bandpass, almost like that radio sound, only focusing on the mids, getting rid of the lows, getting rid of the highs. You can make one a ping pong, one a regular delay. Now, let me show you one more pro tip we can do with these delays so that they don't get in the way of the vocal. And that is click the like button and hit the subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm only kidding. Here's the trick. We can sidechain the delays back to the original vocal. So notice I have a sidechain compressor on the half note delay track. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sidechain from the vocal. That's my trigger. And the delays now are going to lower in volume whenever the actual vocal is playing. So where can this come in handy? When she first says high up in the sky, the phrase the sky keeps repeating. And then this next phrase starts over here. Ideally, I would like those delays to duck in volume when the next phrase starts. That's exactly what this sidechain compressor is going to do. Check this out.
High up in the sky. Voices deep inside your mind. Sometimes I wonder why I'm falling down.
Even at the end there, when she sustains the word down, falling down, and she hangs it out. Sorry, I can't sing. You probably figured that out quick, huh? It's cool though, because when the vocal sustains, the delays remain ducked in volume until it finishes, and then they come back, and it creates that cool kind of pushing effect with the delays. Regardless, you hopefully understand now how to set this up. This works for any genre, any delay times. You could mess around with this, try different variations, but create separate tracks with the delay at 100% wet and just drag the actual words onto those channels. And there you go. You have your perfect vocal delays to sit in the mix. I hope this was helpful. If you did find value in this, click the thumbs up and let me know. Also, where are you struggling with your vocal productions? Let me know in the comments, because I'd love to pull specific ideas from you in our future videos. I'm always looking for new topics. I really just want to be able to help. So let me know in the comments where you're struggling with vocal processing. I'll definitely address it in a future video. Until then though, see ya.